Hi everyone! Gusto ko lang i-share yung perspective ko about being a global citizen. Para sa akin, nagsisimula ito sa awareness. Hindi na lang tayo basta nanonood ng balita or naririnig ang issues like poverty, climate change, or inequality. Dapat naiintindihan natin na kahit malayo siya minsan, ramdam pa rin natin siya in real life. Like sa prices ng bilihin, weather changes, or struggles ng ibang tao sa community. The next is respect for diversity. I realize na hindi lahat ng tao pare-pareho ng culture, beliefs, or experiences, and that's okay. Instead of judging, mas okay kung matuto tayong makinig and intindihin sila. Minsan kasi doon nagsisimula yung misunderstanding, hindi sa difference but sa lack of understanding. Then, social justice. For me, it means recognizing na hindi lahat pantay ang starting point ng buhay. May iba na mas success sa education, food opportunities, while others struggles just to get basic needs. What feels fair is not always equal, but it should always be just. Lastly is the active participation. Hindi enough na aware lang tayo. Kahit small actions matter, like helping others, being responsible online, or speaking up when something is wrong. Simple things pero may impact pa rin. What I realize is this: being a global citizen is not about being perfect or changing the whole world at once. It's about choosing to care, even in small ways, and not ignoring what's happening around us. Because at the end, we are all connected in ways we don't always see. That's all. Yun lang naman yung mga perspective ko about being a global citizen.